I ordered this from Myntra for Rs 975. It comes in a sleek metal box. The watch gives off a premium vibe. In the box, we have the watch and a card about warranty registration. This watch comes with a 6-month warranty. The black textured leather strap paired with a matte black dial, clean, classic, and confident. The fit is just right, not too bulky, not too small. The genuine leather strap feels soft and flexible, and it weighs just 100 grams. It feels light, but not cheap. 40mm dial, 10mm case thickness, 22mm strap width. The case is well finished, and the dial glass is resistant to everyday scratches. Plus, the analog movement is quiet and reliable. It works with almost anything: formal shirts, smart casuals, or even weekend wear. If you want a minimalist watch that still makes a statement, this one does it right. So, is it worth it? For the price, the Sonata Poze delivers on style, comfort, and build. It's not trying too hard, and that's exactly what makes it great. I'd give it a solid 4.5 out of 5, simple, classy, and reliable. Check out the link in the description below.